Hello students, we are going to discuss about Reynolds analogy. Assumption of Reynolds analogy: only turbulent flow is present, no laminar flow. Velocity, temperature and concentration profile are perfectly matching. All diffusivities are same: molecular diffusivity, momentum diffusivity and heat diffusivity. Ratio of two molecular diffusivities equal to that of two eddy diffusivities. So nu by alpha is equal to E nu by EH, that is equal to Fresnel number. Already I said ratio of two molecular diffusivities, because these are the laminar flow diffusivities. Nu by alpha. Nu is a momentum diffusivity, alpha is a thermal diffusivity in laminar flow. E nu and EH, this is the turbulent flow diffusivities or eddy diffusivities. E nu is nothing but eddy diffusivity of momentum. EH is nothing but eddy diffusivity of heat. Are you clear? Okay. So the ratio between momentum diffusivity to heat diffusivity or thermal diffusivity, that is equal to Fresnel number, PR, Fresnel number. Reynolds analogy is popularly known to relate turbulent momentum and heat transfer. Are you clear? Okay. So Reynolds analogy is popularly known relate turbulent momentum and heat transfer. We are not talking about here mass transfer. Relate turbulent momentum and heat transfer. For turbulent flow, momentum and heat transfer, you refer my previous lecture. So from that, so we have to use here tau is equal to minus U nu d by dz of rho into u. Are you clear? Okay. So take rho outside. Tau by rho is equal to minus E nu du by dz. This is the first expression. Whereas heat transfer, Q is equal to minus EH d by dz of rho Cp T. So from that you take rho Cp outside. Q by rho Cp is equal to minus EH dt by dz. This is the second expression. Expression 1 and 2 for turbulent flow in both transfer like momentum and heat transfer. Divide equation 2 by 1. So the Q into rho divided by rho Cp into tau is equal to minus EH dt by dz into dz by minus E nu du. So here rho's are cancelled. So the RHS side dz are cancelled. So why the EH is equal to U nu? This is the assumption of Reynolds analogy. All diffusivities are equal. So that's why EH and E nu's are equal. So finally we get Q by Cp into tau is equal to minus dt by du. So the separating the variable dt one side, du another side, LHS side integration of Tw to T. So Tw is nothing but wall temperature at any temperature capital T into dt is equal to RHS side minus integration of Q by Cp into tau du. Are you clear? Okay. So integrate in LHS side the temperature integration T. So substitute limit T to T, upper limit minus lower limit T minus Tw is equal to RHS side. So minus Q by Cp into tau. So this is a constant. The integration part du integration u. Are you clear? Okay. So finally we get Tw minus T is equal to Qu by Cp into tau. So why? Because so this expression multiply with minus sign. So the minus sign means minus of T minus Tw is equal to Q by Cp tau into u. So minus of T minus Tw mean Tw minus T. Are you clear? Okay. Equal to Qu by Cp into tau. This is the third expression. So Q is equal to H into TW minus T. This is the fourth expression. So this expression is from heat transfer. So which law this one? So the convection law. So which law obey the convection? Newton's law of cooling. Are you clear now? Okay. So this expression, fourth expression, Newton's law of cooling, already you are familiar in heat transfer. So this law obey the convection. Q is equal to H into TW minus T. Q is equal to heat flux, H is equal to heat transfer coefficient, TW wall temperature, T is any temperature. So this law is a Newton's law of cooling. Are you clear? Okay. So here substitute 3 in 4. What is the third expression? Third expression is TW minus T is equal to QU by CP into tau. This is the third expression. So the substitute TW minus T in fourth expression. So QQs are cancelled. Finally we get Cp into tau is equal to H into U. This is the fifth expression. So next one, F is equal to tau by half into rho U square. Already I said Reynolds analogy only relate the turbulent flow of momentum and heat transfer. So that's why. So we have to use here. So momentum loss and heat transfer loss. So the fourth expression from heat transfer. So this is the Newton's law of cooling. So this is convection law. So whereas F is equal to tau by half into rho U squared, this equation for coefficient of friction in terms of shear stress. Are you clear? Okay. So this equation taken from Darcy-Weisbach equation in fluid mechanics. Why madam you are taking this expression? Why? Because Reynolds analogy related to momentum and heat transfer, particularly turbulent flow. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this equation, the relationship between coefficient of friction and shear stress. So this equation taken from Darcy-Weisbach equation in fluid mechanics. So if you want this expression, you go to refer the R.K. Bansal page number 437. So I am taking this expression from Darcy-Weisbach equation. So this is the relation coefficient of friction on shear stress. F is equal to tau by half into rho U square. So this is only for turbulent flow. Be careful. So we are not talking about the laminar flow here. So the Reynolds analogy is valid turbulent flow in both transfer, momentum and heat transfer. So from that, tau is equal to half into rho U squared F. This is the sixth expression. From equation 5, what is the tau value? HU by Cp. This is the seventh expression. From equation 6 and 7, you see the LHS side. LHS is the same, tau. Okay. You compare the two expressions, 6 and 7. So HU by Cp is equal to half into rho U squared F. So U's are cancelled. Finally we get H by Cp is equal to 1 by 2 rho U F. So here H is a heat transfer coefficient, Cp is a specific heat or heat capacity, rho is a density, U is a velocity, F is a coefficient of friction or friction factor. So H by Cp, rho U come to this side, rho into U is equal to F by 2. So here rho into U is equal to mass velocity. So the mass velocity is a capital G. Capital G is equal to rho into U. So the replace the expression H by Cp into rho U is equal to F by 2 or H by Cp rho into U is nothing but capital G, that is a mass velocity, equal to F by 2. So here H by Cp into rho U, this is called Stanton number. Stanton number is a mass transfer number, dimensionless number. So this is equal to H by Cp into rho U or H by Cp into G. So this is called Reynolds analogy. Stanton number is equal to F by 2. So this is called Reynolds analogy. Reynolds analogy is valid for Prandtl number is equal to Schmidt number is equal to 1. So where Prandtl number is equal to, what is the Prandtl number? The ratio between momentum diffusivity to thermal diffusivity. Momentum diffusivity nu, thermal diffusivity alpha, or Prandtl number is equal to momentum diffusivity or kinematic viscosity formula mu by rho. Thermal diffusivity formula K by rho into Cp. So divide these two value, finally we get rho's are cancel, Cp mu by K. This is the Prandtl number. What about the Schmidt number? Prandtl number is a heat transfer dimensionless number. Schmidt number is a mass transfer dimensionless number. Schmidt number is equal to the ratio between momentum diffusivity to mass diffusivity. So momentum diffusivity nu, mass diffusivity DAB or D. Are you clear? Okay. So finally Schmidt number nu is a kinematic viscosity or momentum diffusivity. Are you clear? Okay. So new formula mu by rho. So finally we get Schmidt number is equal to, you replace nu, instead of nu you have to use mu by rho into D. This is the Schmidt number. In Reynolds analogy, all diffusivities are same. So Prandtl number is equal to Schmidt number is equal to 1. Are you clear or not? Okay. So already we have the expression, the Reynolds analogy, Stanton number is equal to F by 2. What is Stanton number? Stanton number is a mass transfer dimensionless number. Stanton number is equal to Nusselt number divided by Peclet number. Nu is equal to Nusselt number, P is equal to Peclet number. So another formula, Stanton number is equal to Nusselt number divided by Peclet number, or Nusselt number divided by Peclet number is equal to Reynolds number into Prandtl number. Are you clear? Okay. So here Nusselt number formula, this is the heat transfer dimensionless number HL by K. Reynolds number, momentum transfer dimensionless number rho VL by mu. Prandtl number, heat transfer dimensionless number Cp mu by K. So what is the relation heat, momentum, mass? Stanton number is equal to, what is the Stanton number here? Stanton number is equal to Nusselt number divided by Reynolds number into Prandtl number. So Nusselt number HL by K. So Reynolds number VL by mu. Prandtl number Cp mu by K. Substitute all the values, you cancel the term. Finally we get Stanton number is equal to H by rho V Cp. So here already I said mass velocity is equal to density into velocity, rho into V. So finally we get Stanton number is equal to H by G into Cp. So this is the relationship between mass transfer dimensionless number and momentum transfer dimensionless number and heat transfer dimensionless number. This is the Stanton number. Thank you for your attention.